Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create VHDs and attach on another machine, on another server machine. For doing this, I must install iSCSI in one machine. So here I have two machines available, KVM1 and KVM2. And I'll be using KVM1 to install the iSCSI server. Okay, so I logged into KVM1. Now I need to open the server manager and then manage add roles and features. Yeah, go forward and until you see the iSCSI under files and storage services. There you can find iSCSI target server. So when you run this protocol and the service, once I install, the service is available under files and storage services on the server manager. So you can see iSCSI is available there. So there what I need is I need to create iSCSI virtual disk. You must have free space available in your hard disk. So I have two partitions available, C and E. And let me create a VHDs in E drive. So for that I need to give a name for the virtual disk. So here I give VHD or VDisk, and the size is 19.4 GB available in the disk. So let me give, let's say, 1 GB, and I don't have any new target, so let me create a new one and give it a target name. And add the device which is going who is going to connect me. So the IP address of that device is 200 dot 15, or I'm not sure. Yeah, it's 51. 200.51 is the IP address. And I'm skipping that portion of authentication and finishing the process. So right now I have one disk available. So if I want, I can add multiple disks. Now I'm going back to KVM2, that is 200.51 IP addresses. So let me log in as the administrator or any user who has a privilege to do the modification of the server. So, so now I need to go to iSCSI initiator on this client machine that's available on the tools. And I need to give S to run the service. Now the target machine, that is at 200.50. Okay, so as soon as I click, it picks the configuration, and so the list is available, and click OK. And now let me go to the disk management and can see whether I got the new disk, like a 1 GB disk available or not. Now I can see the disk is available 1 GB and I can use it. It's like natively I have a disk available in KVM2. So this is how the SAN storage works. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next